Good morning. It is 12 o'clock. I just made it to Antigua, Guatemala, and I stopped right here to get some carnitas and chicharrones, and I'm gonna check downtown. I'm gonna check what it's all about Antigua. Not Antigua. This is a little town right before Antigua, but they have this cool church. I'm gonna take a picture. I hope nobody's gets my. I think it's fine. I'm sorry for that. I'm sick. And look at this church. Okay, I think this is Antigua. Okay guys, this is Antigua. This is the colonial, or it was the capital, the colonial capital city of Central America, but it was destroyed in 1973 by an earthquake, with about over 1,000 people dead due to the earthquake, and a little bit, like diseases caused by the lack of assistance, I believe. It's a really pretty city. I didn't know about the earthquake, so when I was driving around, I saw a bunch of churches destroyed on the inside. It was kind of weird, but reading after that, I realized that all churches pretty much got destroyed, and they're trying to restore some of them. So I stopped right here to take a picture of this church also. I have a fascination for churches. I'm not very religious, but I do have a fascination for churches. Sorry, I was really sick. I'm still sick, but that day I was like feeling terrible. Look at the Taco Bell. That's probably the cutest Taco Bell on the planet. I've been a little bit surprised in the whole Central America, like Mexico and Guatemala so far, how much Americanized they have become. Like you see all these big chains like Domino's, this is downtown Taco Bell, Subway, Papa John's, McDonald's, of course. And it's crazy because you go to these like magic towns, and being how amazing the Mexican kitchen is, and you see people that's gonna go there and order a Subway or a McDonald's. That's kind of crazy. I understand maybe in the big cities to find like this, but not in like magic towns or colonial towns. I also was very surprised when I came to Guatemala to fix my bike. I was at the data dealership and the guys were like, "Oh, we're gonna go eat something." So I was like, uh, "Where are you guys going? Maybe I'll go with you guys." "Oh no, we're just going around the corner to like a Burger King. I think we're going to." And I was like, "No, no, 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 thank you." Then I went to buy something else at another store, and I asked them, "Hey, is there a restaurant around here?" And their answer was like, "Oh yes, there is a McDonald's around the corner." That's crazy. Like with the amazing food on the Latin countries, and it looks like everybody is eating McDonald's and Burger King and Pizza Hut. Burger King. Come on, guys. We should not even allow those kind of restaurants in this town. And this looks like wow, look at that. Huh? That's an entrance. Okay, so this structure at the yellow one is called the Arch, the Santa Catalina Arch. It's one of the landmarks in Antigua, and it was like a bridge between a school and a convent. It was allowing the nuns to go from the church, from the school, I'm sorry, to the convent without having to go to the street. Very, very colorful town and beautiful. Lots of gringos here. Not sure you guys know, but this is still Mayan territory. Like the Mayas were located in the south part of Mexico, in Guatemala, and I believe part of Salvador also, in Honduras. So, and the Aztecas, or the Mexicans, I think it was their real name, they were more to the center of Mexico, with a little, I mean, they kind of fusion a little bit, but they're completely different from each other. I am leaving all the footage from this ride in the city of Antigua. That's so you guys can appreciate, you know, every single building. The ones who love architecture, you know, you can appreciate how beautiful this place is. Maybe you decide to come visit one time, or maybe you just enjoy, you know, taking a ride with me. So if you guys don't want to keep watching this, I mean, I have a little bit more driving to the city of Guatemala, so you guys can skip. But I hope you guys can enjoy this nice trip around this beautiful city. You know that there are a lot of this type of constructions, but they are inside, they are destroyed. Like this one, look. Pretty much all of them are like this. Looks like they're trying to do some restorations, but as I mentioned before, I didn't know, you know, most of these buildings were destroyed by the earthquake. But after some research, I realized, you know, that it was the 1973 earthquake who pretty much destroyed every single church in the town. And now a little bit of high-speed chase on this highway coming from Antigua to Guatemala. Antigua is just Guatemala City. Antigua is just like 30 minutes away from Guatemala City. And it was a fun ride. So this is actually called the Torre del Reformador,
Like the Eiffel Tower.
the Reform Tower, and it's a 71, almost 78 meter tall steel tower. It was built in 1935 to commemorate the centenary of Justo Rufino Barrios, who was the president of Guatemala.
Okay, so the guys at Beta, they treat me super good today. They even gave me a t-shirt, a Beta t-shirt, with these oil changes.
not gonna kill me before then. People here look super nervous.